Welcome to English Spark.
Today we will learn something new.
We will learn about colors, days, feelings, and more.
Are you ready? Let's go.
This is red. The apple is red.
Red. Say it with me. Red.
Now you try. Can you say red? Red. Great job.
This is blue. The sky is blue.
Blue. Say it with me. Blue.
Now you try. Can you say blue? Blue. Great job.
This is green. The grass is green.
Green. Say it with me. Green.
Now you try. Can you say green? Green. Great job.
This is yellow. The sun is yellow.
Yellow. Say it with me. Yellow.
Now you try. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Great job.
This is orange. The orange is orange.
Orange. Say it with me. Orange.
Now you try. Can you say orange? Orange. Great job.
This is purple. The grape is purple.
Purple. Say it with me. Purple.
Now you try. Can you say purple? Purple. Great job.
This is pink. The flower is pink.
Pink. Say it with me. Pink.
Now you try. Can you say pink? Pink. Great job.
This is brown. The dog is brown.
Brown. Say it with me. Brown.
Now you try. Can you say brown? Brown. Great job.
This is black. The night is black.
Black. Say it with me. Black.
Now you try. Can you say black? Black. Great job.
This is white. The snow is white.
White. Say it with me. White.
Now you try. Can you say white? White. Great job.
This is gray. The cloud is gray.
Gray. Say it with me. Gray.
Now you try. Can you say gray? Gray. Great job.
This is gold. The ring is gold.
Gold. Say it with me. Gold.
Now you try. Can you say gold? Gold. Great job.
This is Monday. School starts on Monday.
Monday. Say it with me. Monday.
Now you try. Can you say Monday? Monday. Great job.
This is Tuesday. We have art on Tuesday.
Tuesday. Say it with me. Tuesday.
Now you try. Can you say Tuesday? Tuesday. Great job.
This is Wednesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week.
Wednesday. Say it with me. Wednesday.
Now you try. Can you say Wednesday? Wednesday. Great job.
This is Thursday. We have sports on Thursday.
Thursday. Say it with me. Thursday.
Now you try. Can you say Thursday? Thursday. Great job.
This is Friday. Friday is the last school day.
Friday. Say it with me. Friday.
Now you try. Can you say Friday? Friday. Great job.
This is Saturday. We play on Saturday.
Saturday. Say it with me. Saturday.
Now you try. Can you say Saturday? Saturday. Great job.
This is Sunday. Sunday is a rest day.
Sunday. Say it with me. Sunday.
Now you try. Can you say Sunday? Sunday. Great job.
This is happy. I feel happy today.
Happy. Say it with me. Happy.
Now you try. Can you say happy? Happy. Great job.
This is sad. She looks sad.
Sad. Say it with me. Sad.
Now you try. Can you say sad? Sad. Great job.
This is angry. Don't be angry.
Angry. Say it with me. Angry.
Now you try. Can you say angry? Angry. Great job.
This is scared. Are you scared?
Scared. Say it with me. Scared.
Now you try. Can you say scared? Scared. Great job.
This is excited. I'm so excited.
Excited. Say it with me. Excited.
Now you try. Can you say excited? Excited. Great job.
This is tired. He is very tired.
Tired. Say it with me. Tired.
Now you try. Can you say tired? Tired. Great job. This is sunny. It is sunny today.
Sunny. Say it with me. Sunny.
Now you try. Can you say sunny? Sunny. Great job.
This is rainy. Take an umbrella, it's rainy.
Rainy. Say it with me. Rainy.
Now you try. Can you say rainy? Rainy. Great job.
This is cloudy. The sky is cloudy.
Cloudy. Say it with me. Cloudy.
Now you try. Can you say cloudy? Cloudy. Great job.
This is windy. It's very windy outside.
Windy. Say it with me. Windy.
Now you try. Can you say windy? Windy. Great job.
This is snowy. It's snowy in winter.
Snowy. Say it with me. Snowy.
Now you try. Can you say snowy? Snowy. Great job.
This is hot. It's hot in summer.
Hot. Say it with me. Hot.
Now you try. Can you say hot? Hot. Great job. This is book. Open your book.
Book. Say it with me. Book.
Now you try. Can you say book? Book. Great job.
This is pen. Write with a pen.
Pen. Say it with me. Pen.
Now you try. Can you say pen? Pen. Great job.
This is desk. Sit at your desk.
Desk. Say it with me. Desk.
Now you try. Can you say desk? Desk. Great job.
This is chair. The chair is comfortable.
Chair. Say it with me. Chair.
Now you try. Can you say chair? Chair. Great job.
This is board. Look at the board.
Board. Say it with me. Board.
Now you try. Can you say board? Board. Great job.
This is bag. Where is your bag?
Bag. Say it with me. Bag.
Now you try. Can you say bag? Bag. Great job. This is big and small. The elephant is big. The ant is small.
Big and small. Say it with me. Big and small.
Now you try. Can you say big and small? Big and small. Great job.
This is tall and short. The giraffe is tall. The hamster is short.
Tall and short. Say it with me. Tall and short.
Now you try. Can you say tall and short? Tall and short. Great job.
This is fast and slow. The car is fast. The turtle is slow.
Fast and slow. Say it with me. Fast and slow.
Now you try. Can you say fast and slow? Fast and slow. Great job.
This is hot and cold. Fire is hot. Ice is cold.
Hot and cold. Say it with me. Hot and cold.
Now you try. Can you say hot and cold? Hot and cold. Great job.
This is up and down. Go up the stairs. Come down.
Up and down. Say it with me. Up and down.
Now you try. Can you say up and down? Up and down. Great job.
Question 1. What color is the sky? Look up.
The answer is blue. Blue circle. Well done.
Question 2. How do you feel when you smile? It's a good feeling.
The answer is happy. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Well done.
Question 3. What day comes after Monday? Thor.
The answer is Tuesday. Calendar. Well done.
Question 4. What do you use to write? Not a pencil.
Question 5. What is the opposite of big? Think tiny.
The answer is small. Ant. Well done.
Question 6. What is the weather when it rains? Bring an umbrella. Great job today. You learned so many new words.
colors, days, feelings, weather, and more.
Keep practicing every day.
See you next time on English Spark.
Bye-bye. Subscribe and like.